Hi, I am a community connector at Wiltshire Centre for Independent Living. I can help people with identifying what their good life looks like and how they can start to live that life. No 2 days are the same because no two people are the same. But every one of our connections starts with a simple conversation. We are there to listen. No judgments, no assessments, and no time limits. Whatever happens next is led by the person that we are supporting. And by encouraging positive risk-taking, the possibilities are endless. We are right there walking alongside them, and we offer the flexibility to be able to say yes, right there and then. As a connector, we are prepared for anything. For some people, their good life will be learning new skills such as cooking or computing, or creating a self-care package for difficult days. Going for a coffee or a walk for the first time in months because anxiety has been preventing this. Having support to be able to decorate their home or tackling travel anxiety. Or reconnecting with their local community and having social interactions by joining a group. As a connector, we are there if things don't go so well and to support people to try a different approach. And always to remind people of their amazing qualities, skills, and strengths. And overall, to watch people flourish and no longer need us.